everyone, this is Ariane and I am here to share with you some new yarn from Sister Ananse that we will be sharing with you all for the Chicago Yarn Crawl. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So this is a colorway called Dark Pearl. Isn't it lovely? I'm so excited about this. It is a 75% merino wool, 25% nylon, fingering weight, superwash merino. I mean, wow, that's beautiful. So we have a few of those. What else do we have? This one is called Winter Dusk. Check it out. Beauty. This is a DK weight superwash, 100% merino wool. It's lovely. Oh my god, I'm in love. This one is called Planet Mule, I don't know, but I love it. Look at that, with all these flecks of neon. Love it. So this is a DK superwash, 85% merino with 15% neon acrylic neps. So the neps are acrylic, but super soft and funky. I love it. So we also in here have some yarn from our collaboration, our bird collection. This one is the painted bunting. Look how pretty this is. Nice colors, very saturated colors. This is fingering weight. Again, 75% merino superwash and 25% nylon. Okay, this beauty is called Siren. Look at these colors in there. So pretty, right? It's a fingering weight, 75% merino wool and 25% nylon. Most of the bases are. Oh, look at this one. We have a better view of the variegation here. So pretty. Love it. So this time around we have added a new bird to our collection. It's a duck. It's the mallard. So this is a brand new colorway in our bird collection with Sister Ananse. I mean, look at these colors. So if you're like me and you're a blue-green person, look at pairs really well with what I'm wearing. I should make a shawl or a scarf out of it. So we actually have this colorway in DK and in fingering weight. So we have both weights for this yarn. And then here's a shop favorite, which is the Mandarin duck. And it's just so beautiful. I've made a really lovely Tunisian crochet shawl out of this yarn. And I can tell you that anytime somebody sees that shawl, they want to buy this yarn. So we have a restock of the yarn. It is also fingering weight or DK weight, both of those weights available. The lilac breasted roller, and look at that. Very pretty pastels. I love this one. It looks like candy. So this is a fingering weight, and I believe we have DK weight as well in the shop. And then last but not least, we have the common starling. So she's beautiful, lots of purples, and it's so pretty. Actually, one of our team members made a whole sweater out of this yarn, and it's really, really lovely. And again, we have this available in fingering weight and in DK weight. So we have all of this yarn. It will be available on the first day of the Chicago Yarn Crawl, which starts on July 25th, Saturday, July 25th. And for the whole crawl through August 2nd, our yarn will be open, even on Mondays and Tuesdays, and we will have extended hours. So make sure to check out all of those hours. We look forward to seeing you at the crawl. We have all of this beautiful yarn for you to enjoy. I hope you liked it and hope to see you soon.